Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, this is part 2 of our tour of the Ferry Industrial Complex. So from this angle you can, that's the straight ahead on the left, that's the Derrimon Trading Facility, that's their warehouses. So this view gives you a very nice, this angle, sorry, gives you a very nice view of the warehouse. So you can see just how large it is. And Derrimon Trading is a distributor. They bring in goods and distribute them through the island. Alright, so this is the Ferry Industrial Complex. You have a lot of other facilities over here as well. It's just that Derrimon seems to have the biggest warehouse. Well, this is a very new area. I mean, these facilities are new, but something that you have to notice, which is very good, is that you notice how the roads are nicely built. The infrastructure was put in place. Look over here, you can see a fire hydrant on the left. So this was well planned out basically. And you can see everything is blocked off, so it's so easy for the companies to just come in, buy the lot, and set up operation. The infrastructure is in place already, which means the water pipes, the roads, everything, the electricity, everything is in place. And you can see how the place is well spaced out. It's not like you have the warehouses built one on top of the other and there's nowhere to park, so people have to be parking in the road. Over here is nicely maintained, nicely laid out, I should say. And it's also very close to the Ferry police station. That police station is probably a minute away, so it's a very safe area. Okay, so I'm not sure why they block up these roads. Really not sure why, but I guess they have their reasons why they don't open up the road now. So this is how they need to build the warehouses in Jamaica, or the warehouse districts or areas. Well laid out, spaced out like this. And there's so much room for expansion. I'm sure in about 2 or 3 years, when we drive back through here, you're going to see a lot more warehouses. So I'm not sure who did this. I don't know if it's a government or if it's a private venture, but this is very nicely done. I'm impressed. Yeah, I don't know why they have these stones in the road though. I mean, the roads are built, so if there's nothing down there, there should be no reason why people can't drive down there. I don't know. That's very strange. Alright, on the left you have some smaller warehouses. Alright, so we're just going to drive back out now and head back towards Mandala Highway. And these warehouses are located, Mandala Highway is right there on the right. That's a 6-lane highway, so if you're going in either direction to deliver the goods, you don't have to worry about it's one of the busiest roads in Jamaica, and it actually, Mandala connects to both major highways. So if you need to carry your goods on the south coast or on the north coast, Mandala takes you to Kingston, St. Andrew, Portmore, Spanish Town. So geographically, these warehouses are built in a very populated area. You can access the largest population in Jamaica quite easily just from Mandala Highway. You can get to the country quite easily. So geographically, this is an excellent location. Alright, so that's Mandala straight ahead. Now if we turn left on Mandala, we would head towards Kingston. And if you go right, you would head towards Portmore, Spanish Town, and also access the highways to take you on the north coast and the south coast. Alright, so we are heading towards Spanish Town, so we have to go down this road and then access the highway, the Mandala Highway, because we were going on the left side, so we have to go down this way. Now we're going to turn left up ahead, but if we were to go straight, we would go into the ferry area, and that's where the ferry police station is. Actually, we'll just take a quick drive down there so you can see just how close these facilities are to the police station. So if we turn left here, we'd go on to Mandala. That takes it to Spanish Town, Mape, and Mandeville. But for now, we're just going to go straight and take a look at the ferry area. And this police station is called the Ferry Police Station. Okay, this is actually a very nice view if the trees were cut down on the Mandala Highway. And Mandala Highway is actually the busiest road in Jamaica, just because of where it's located basically, and the access it gives you to Portmore, Spanish Town, Kingston, St. Andrew, and both highways. It's basically the main road that leads you into Kingston and takes you out. Okay, on the right is a Heidel group of schools, preschool, junior school, senior, junior high. I guess it's a lot of schools over there. A huge facility too. Okay, on the right is Tile City, which is a hardware store. Okay, straight ahead on the right now is the Ferry Police Station. So you can see just how close it is to the facility, and security is a big issue in Jamaica. So the closer you are to these police stations, the safer you would be. Although these facilities have private security. Alright, we're going to turn back around because we can't access Mandala from this end, only if you're going into Kingston. Alright, so this is the ferry area. So we're heading back towards Mandala Highway now. So we have to go over this bridge basically to access Mandala Highway because we're heading towards the Spanish Town area. Alright, so straight ahead is Mandala Highway. As you can see, there's our merging lane, so it doesn't really impede doesn't slow down the flow of traffic for you to get on to the highway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.